Welcome back, guys, to Development Computing channel. In this video, I have decided to do something in web design, and this is a common problem that keeps coming up in the country. In PNG now, we have a lot of people doing websites, designing, developing websites, and mainly because we have CMS, content management system. It makes things very easy, so anyone can, as long as you have the money, you can register, pay for a plan, create your own websites. One of the main problems that keeps coming up, and so I'd like to touch in this video, is having a website that's responsive or mobile friendly. When I say that, like, you just cannot view it on a mobile device. Some of the maybe parts of the website is either too big or too small. Now, first off, this is a web page that I did, and I thought, okay, this looks good now on this computer that I am using. There's nothing wrong. Everything seems to be working fine. The design looks okay. Now, how do I know? The best way to do it is to make sure that you check on different mobile devices. So if you have the website already hosted on a hosting platform, it's easy. You type in the address and you check on a mobile device. But if you don't, it's the best thing to do. I would say it's best practice to make sure you check that first prior to launching the website. One way to check is to go to developer settings. So you can check that on the settings of your web browser. Go to tools and developer tools or developer settings. I think it's different in different browsers, but since I am on Firefox, I can just go right click and inspect. You can also do that in some other browsers. Now, up top on the right hand corner, there is a icon of a mobile device, and just pointing on it gives this pop-up that says responsive design mode. So I can just click on that. Now it's in a mobile format. Now if you look at it, it doesn't look as good as it looks before. See this image? It's bigger. So it extends out of the screen, the mobile screen, and even the input fields as well. So that's how you tell. And now you know you have work to do. Okay, so I am going to do some changes in the code. Go back, refresh and reload this page. Now that looks great. Only that this image is still there, and we want to make sure that as it decreases, it doesn't look good as it's getting smaller and smaller. So we want to make sure that when the screen size is really small, this doesn't show. So let's get rid of that. 560 pixel maximum width of screen sizes. Let's see for cars. If you want to do display is none. Save that. Now go back, refresh this page. close this. Let's just exit out of that. Now inspect again. So if you decrease the screen size, it gets smaller and smaller. And now if you look at the bottom, you see this, the car is no longer there. Before it was there. The car was there. As it gets smaller and smaller, it gets gets compressed. So we just want to get rid of it as long as it doesn't show. The design still looks great. And the input box looks good now too. This brings me to the end of this video. If you do enjoy this video, please remember to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye!